A very good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. It's always a pleasure connecting back with you. Today I want to discuss one of the most frequently discussed issues regarding hair, which is frizziness. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and help me grow this community. The first common mistake that everybody seems to be doing is washing their hair very regularly, very frequently. And as I actually spoke about in a few videos back, because it's extremely important for you to make sure that you wash your hair as less frequent as possible. So once you get into the habit of washing it less frequently, the second thing that I would suggest you do every time you wash your hair is don't use the regular cotton towel that you use to dry your hair, because it's actually causing friction within your hair, making it more frizzy. What you can use is either your old soft cotton, pure cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel that is easily available on Amazon, and I will also link it down below for you. So you just need to plop this on your hair and leave it down for 15-20 minutes till all your moisture gets absorbed in this micro towel. Using a microfiber towel will help ensure that you absorb all the moisture with absolutely no friction, which is extremely important in reducing frizziness to your hair, because a lot of times you're also in a habit of taking the cotton towel and actually rubbing it against our hair, which is absolutely a big no-no if you want to reduce frizz in your hair. So please do not do that at all. Instead, use us, like I said, this will work like a charm. The next thing that I always do, and I suggest everybody does, and I've talked about this in my earlier videos as well, is when your hair is about 10 minutes dry after using the towel, use a leave-in conditioner. It is the most important step in making sure that the moisture stays within and the moisture actually gets absorbed into your hair, because the conditioner that you use along with your shampoo, and I'm assuming that you are using a good conditioner, that is just creating a kind of a layering on top of your hair, which is also very important. But this leave-in conditioner actually helps that moisture get absorbed into your hair for a longer period of time. If you miss this step, then as soon as you come out of the shower, there is a layer on top, but it gets dissipated very quickly. And I have been using Olaplex for a very long time. What this also helps in doing is rebond your hair, which helps in reduce the breakage. And so once you use the after conditioner, the other thing that I would strongly suggest you do is the Olaplex oil. So this is Olaplex number 6 and this is Olaplex number 7. 6 is the leave-in conditioner and Olaplex number 7 is the oil. This also helps you protect against the heat. One common misconception that we have across all over is that heat actually causes a lot of damage to your hair. It will if you don't protect your hair properly. So if you use something which, especially this Olaplex number 7 in your hair oil, it helps you rebond and it also helps against, it is a very good heat protectant. So once you have your heat protectant, and if you dry your hair after it's 75% dry, that again will actually help your hair not get frizzy, because one of the most common reasons your hair gets frizzy is that you leave moisture in your hair. So when you dry up your hair with just a regular blow dry, or I use Dyson, the heat also helps you reduce the frizziness in your hair. The other thing that it does is it helps you maintain the volume for a longer period of time, which will again help you to wash it less frequently, because one of the common reasons people end up washing your hair frequently is because it kind of loses the texture, it loses the volume, it has a lot of oil. Again, I would strongly suggest that you watch the video, because today I want to just focus on how to reduce the frizziness. The next suggestion that I would like you to consider is, on the days that you are not washing your hair, rather than using a regular shower cap, please use a shower cap that actually has a microfiber inside. Again, what you're doing is, by covering your hair with a microfiber shower cap, is whatever little moisture that your hair gets into while you're taking a shower gets absorbed. So your hair does not come in contact with the moisture when you're taking a shower. One of the most common reasons, which we don't even realize, is moisture sets into your hair as soon as you take a shower. Because when you're in your shower, whether you're using the shower or the tap, especially in winters or whenever you're using heated water, there's a lot of moisture that gets generated in the bathroom. And without us realizing, that particular moisture actually settles in your hair, depleting the natural oil that is a part of your hair. And the moment that happens, you will start seeing a lot of flyovers and a lot of frizziness in your hair. So using a shower cap that actually has microfiber helps reduce that particular aspect also. Also, please do not comb your hair as soon as you come out of the shower. If you are in a habit of combing your hair, do it when your hair is still wet and after using the leave-in conditioner, because again, you are reducing the amount of frizz it will create in your hair. And do not comb your hair when it's completely dry. Friction actually causes a lot of frizziness. So by making sure that you comb your hair also, when you're combing your hair, please make sure that it's like a wider tooth, so that it helps in detangling. And don't brush it hard. And do not comb your hair when it's dry, because you are just helping the frizziness to grow. One more hair product that I actually spoke about in my short that I did was this Color Fanatic by Purology. This is again a leave-in conditioner, a heat protectant, and it also helps in rebonding the hair. So this actually takes care of these two products. So rather than using Olaplex number 6 and 7, you can just use Color Fanatic by Purology, which actually has all of these, everything in here. This is available in India, so it's more accessible, and I will link it down below in my description box. This unfortunately is not yet available here, but if you have access to this is again a very absolutely amazing product, and I have been using it for quite some time. One last suggestion that I would also like to give you to reduce frizziness is, if you can, use a satin pillow cover, because the cotton pillow cover that we use again causes a lot of friction because it's cotton, so it rubs against your hair at night, and it tends to, because of the friction, it tends to make your hair frizzy. So if you have access to satin, or if you can buy it, please use that. It will really help. So you see, these are the little things that you can do, and the results, I can promise you that the results will be drastic. And all of these things are very doable. It's just that sometimes you don't register these little things, but now that you know, please do it, and please let me know if that has helped your hair, because it definitely helps me. And I would love for you to like, share and subscribe my video. So just a quick wrap up: wash it less frequently, use a microfiber towel to plop your hair after you wash, use a leave-in conditioner, use a hair oil as a heat protectant, Dry your hair. Don't leave it to natural dry, especially after using this. It is okay for you to use a blow dry. Use a microfiber shower cap, and comb your hair when you have your leave-in conditioner in your hair. So that's pretty much about it. Once you do all of those things, results are going to be dramatic. And if there are any more questions, please leave it down in my description box, and I will make sure that I address those as well, because sometimes the problems are very, very specific. These are very generic solutions, but it works. It works like a charm, because again, it's tried and tested, and it has helped me a lot. So let me know what you think of the video. Till next time, this is Sonal signing off. See you soon. Bye bye.